Did you know the bald eagle can spot prey from nearly 2 miles away? No wonder it's called the master of the skies. Let's see why this bird is the true king up high. With eyesight 8 times sharper than ours, the bald eagle can spot a tiny rabbit 3 kilometers below. When it sees its target, it folds its wings and dives, plummeting at over 160 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most sports cars. Its talons? They're like nature's vice grip, crushing with a force 4 times stronger than a human hand. One lightning-fast strike is all it takes to snatch a 2-kilogram fish straight from the water. Power, precision, perfection, there's nothing else like it. The bald eagle, nature's ultimate aerial assassin and a true symbol of wild freedom.